Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Success Sutras. We all tend to use different words, phrases and tones depending upon the situation we are in. However, sometimes it can lead up to worse situations if we misuse them at our business locations or at office. So here are some basic and most commonly used phrases or words which you can use at your office. This will reflect the professionalism out of you. So let's begin. On the left side, I have few phrases which generally are casual or used in most of our casual interactions. So let's check out how you can speak more professionally by just substituting these casual phrases with much more polished and professional English. And most of the times we call this as business English. The name itself suggests that we use these at our business locations or offices where we have to be more formal in our emails, conversations, presentations, and whatnot. So let's see how we can change our casual English into a good business English. Make sure, ensure, talk more, elaborate, let them know, inform, got, received, need, require, get in touch, contact, talk about, discuss, tell why, explain, fix the problem, solve, give attention, focus on, find out the problem, identify the problem, make change, modify, problem, complication. Let us frame one sentence for each phrase we have here for a better understanding. Make sure, ensure. So whenever you are trying to communicate in your office location or at business location, you better use ensure instead of make sure. That gives a good professional feeling out of you. The sentence for this word is, James, please ensure that you send me the marketing report before you leave for the day. Talk more. Elaborate. Can you please elaborate on this? Let them know. Inform. Please inform them by when you will be able to deliver the order. Got. Received. I have received your email. Need. Require. I require this file urgently, so could you please send me this? Get in touch. Contact. Please contact James for further details on this report. Talk about. Discuss. Please discuss this issue with your manager and close it as early as possible. Tell why. Explain. Can you please explain the reason behind this logic? Fix the problem. Solve. James will be able to solve this issue. Give attention. Focus on. We need to focus on our client's action items. Find out problem. Identify the problem. Let's identify the root cause of this issue. Make change. Modify. Please modify the report as discussed and share it with me. Problem. Complication. Let's correct the report to avoid further complications. I hope with this you have understood how professional we can be by just simply adapting few changes in our words. Start practicing this in your daily professional lives and you will enjoy being professional. If you like this content, Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.